Welcome to the Workday Reporting for Business Users video series. In this session, we'll focus on several reporting features that help you better understand the data in your report output. A Workday report is like a window into your company's data. A report administrator can apply filters, sorting, or prompts to adjust what the system displays. Let's begin with filters. A report administrator might use a filter to remove data that isn't relevant to your analysis. For example, a report analyzing headcount might filter out contingent and temporary workers. You may or may not be able to adjust these filters, depending on how the report is configured. Next, let's explore sorting. When you run a report, you'll likely notice that the data is sorted in a specific way. Workday typically sorts data by the leftmost column by default, but a report administrator can override this. They might sort data alphabetically, such as by employee last name, or logically, such as by fiscal period. Now, let's discuss report prompts. When you run a report, Workday might ask you for some input. These prompts may be optional or required. Workday identifies required prompts with a red asterisk. Simply specify the report criteria and select OK to run the report. The system then displays your results based on the prompt values you've chosen and your data permissions. If you want to update your prompt values, select the Configure icon next to the report name. Then change the values and rerun the report. You can also save your prompt values as a filter for future use. After entering your prompt values, provide a filter name and save it. The next time you run the report, select the filter from the Saved Filters menu. Workday will then automatically populate your prompts. Beyond filtering, sorting, and prompting, reports may include other helpful features, such as grouping, outlining, totals, and analytic indicators. These features depend on the report's type and configuration. Some report types allow you to group and summarize data. For example, an advanced report may have column grouping, whereas a matrix report can group data by row and optionally by column. In a matrix report, you might encounter a row or column labeled Other. This aggregates any additional grouping values that go beyond the maximum number specified by your report administrator. So, if data appears to be missing, check your report for the Other row or column. In addition to grouping, your report might have outlining. Outlining is a hierarchical structure in which you can expand and collapse groupings. Some reports also have subtotals and grand totals, which Workday applies to the report's grouping. A report administrator can also configure a matrix report to display percentages of a column total, a row total, or an overall total. Some reports might also use analytic indicators, which are graphical representations of data. These symbols can indicate status, progress, rating, trends, and more. In this session, we've reviewed several reporting features that help you better understand your report output and take action on your data analysis. Thank you for taking the time to learn with Workday.